The ice maker on my daewoo fridge freezer is not tipping ice out and is spilling water everywhere.
Hi, welcome to Just Answer. My name is XXXXXX I look forward to helping you. If the cubes are not dumping, you may have mineral deposits in the mold assembly. Can you thaw all the ice and clean the mold where the cubes are made with vinegar? Let me know what happens.
Hi Kelly. I don't think the ice is sticking in the mold. I think the ice tray is not turning over. Does its motor have a separate fuse? Iain.
It does not. It is sold as a complete assembly and is no longer available, per the link below. Click here.
Should lifting the side arm trigger the tray to rotate if it is working?
No, that is what turns the maker off. Is there ice waiting to be dumped in the tray or is it empty? If you fill it with water, does it dump or what happens?
The ice tray is so full of water that it is making one big cube rather than individuals, and so it sticks as one big block. I was assuming that if the tray was not rotating, more water was being tipped on a full ice tray, thus causing the problem.
If that is the case, the water valve is likely overfilling it. Can you thaw it out and then fill to normal capacity manually and see if it dumps that batch?
Thank you for that, we'll try that. If the water valve is overfilling, can it be adjusted, and if so, how?
No, it is all controlled by the ice maker. If the new valve does the same thing, the ice maker is energizing it for too long.
Have managed to catch ice tray in action. Despite washing with vinegar, cubes still sticking in tray. I have noticed two tiny wires under ice tray. Are they a tiny heating element to help emptying? Cubes sticking in is definitely the problem.
No, they are for the thermistor that senses when the tray is cold enough, water frozen, to initiate a harvest cycle. The plastic is probably scored or pitted and is not releasing as it should.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.